We're excited to announce the long-anticipated MINT TMS Mobile 2023.1. The MINT app has been completely revamped with a new user experience and new features. To start off, you'll log in and select your company using a QR code found in the MINT web application. You can scan or upload this code. Once you log in, you will see the brand new dashboard. The dashboard gives you quick access to some elements available in the app, including ad hoc forms, recently opened reports, and your upcoming schedule. On the Forms page, you can access all your available forms and grade sheets. You can click the top card to fill out a personal information form. You can also search through pending forms, select the needed resources, and complete grading. The Schedule page will display all your events. Click on an event for more details like event location and to see who else is assigned to the event. Similar to forms, you can search through reports and execute them within the app. You can also export the report data or pin frequently used reports to the top of the page to make them quickly accessible in the future. In the mobile app, users can read and delete notifications and receive push notifications with key information. Lastly, let's take a look at the Settings page. Here, you can set your forms to fit to screen. You can also click on some of our helpful support links. For an upgraded MINT experience, download MINT TMS Mobile from the App Store today.